Another Epicflows Production.
No disrespect, but this is Spice. Me go say this and me no care how you want feel. You do look better when you're brown and look like caramel. Cause you're black for so much years and you could reach international, but as your skin change Wendy. Snapchat, Daily Mail, and you not even have one track. So stop chat, but you're proud that you're black. Cause the white Spice she bigger. And me I know no hypocrite, just attack the facts. Jamaica support you, you give them a big box. I talk about your outgrow, cause they pan a known show a twang and a fight over man.
That girl in the fight out.
And all you sing about are you. But how we small and how it look like a gungo. Look like I saw your brain tanto. Cause how you get locked up in a contract for 10 years. Wall on a wall heap your teacher get. Look like when you spend too much time in the ramping shop. I wanna get the wrong people. I just a ningy and a chat in your ears. Me a no hypocrite. Yeah, me swear me a no hypocrite. Me a no hypocrite. Yeah, me swear me a no hypocrite. Me a no hypocrite. Yeah, me swear me a no hypocrite. Just attack the facts. With all this respect, all that shit it just hurt me. Cause suck your mother. And you can't finish that you're thirsty. Me and Spice, success it won't hurt you. Whether you the night that team of flight could have fly in this fight called dancehall. Girl proud her color, you just prove her pint. She get one leap a whole back, she never woulda get if her skin did light. She know queen of the stage, most creative, dripping melanin and inspiring all the females. And I teach the black girls how to love themselves. So stop chat, you a hypocrite. Now support your own kind, but you know fi chat your lips. You a bloodsucker, big ticks. You need to evaluate your life and start fix things. If Spice never defend herself on the show, you woulda chat say girl beat her. And you know, I'm sure you got sense, so stop act fool. You know what she mean when she says she outgrow. Spice always a promote J.A. till she blow. Me swear me know the feeling. She love you know but she hate you know. Cause you a hypocrite. You a hypocrite. Just consider this, no label, she do it by herself. Queen of the dance, all she do it by herself. She smarter than most, even though she in a contrast, she walk her own road, avoiding all ghosts to be queen of the dance hall. So if you live on her name negatively, you go get all her force. Cause you're hypocrite, you're hypocrite, you're hypocrite, 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 you're hypocrite.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Ready for Epicflows. Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.